Okay. Oh shoot, I'm gonna get the item. Oh. Ooh, hello. Welcome to the first episode of Table Drops. I didn't know how to start the video, so you just had that little montage, I guess. But without further ado, we are going to look at an item that piqued my interest when I was during this quarantine, just trying to find something for me to do. And, you know, one of my greatest fears, one of them, just deep within me. So what happens if I don't have a keyboard? And like, obviously some people can't afford keyboards during this time. So, with my great
The prophecy is true.
great mind, figured, what's the cheapest keyboard possible I can buy? And is it any good? Well, today we're gonna find out in Table Drops. That's the name we went with. Anyway, let me pull it out. So here we're looking at not the Wii, but the RII, the Real Internet Idea. Here, let me pull up the second cam. Yeah, as you can see, I got the RII right here. It's got it's Windows 10 compatible. That's good. That's good about a keyboard. It's got game, 3-color backlight, and genuine disappears after dripping. You know I like to drip. Alright. And we got, oh, you can see how scuffed the setup is. And then let's check out the back of the box, if you get one. So, multi-key description, specifications, system requirements, LED backlight. Yeah, there's nothing too special about the box. So, let's take this and dump it. We want the real item right now. We put away the table cam real quick. Woo! Now here we got ourselves the RII keyboard. It's pretty light compared to my other keyboard I have at home. It's pretty light. So first thing I wanted to do, well, I gotta get some good sound real quick. Add some it's good enough. It's a membrane keyboard, which is very interesting. Let me pull up the camera yet again. Let's see. It's got the logo right here, the RII. And what I first noticed about this keyboard is that the keys are kind of slanted down, like they're going downwards. It's very interesting. I haven't really had a keyboard. It's more like, you know, your fingers just fit and they push down. But this one's pretty soft and quiet compared to my other keyboard. You know, it doesn't sound too bad. It really feels like an office tier keyboard, you know, just run of the mill. I think what we should do next is check out the RGB. Okay, I did not set any of this up, So, editor Bryson, please bear in mind. Okay. So I tested this keyboard earlier in the I've been actually using, before I did this review, I've been using the keyboard for like the last 3 days. Yeah, so something like that. But yeah. Let's check it out. Okay. I'm just using so it works on Windows as far as I can tell. So I'm gonna be using a Chromebook to see if there's any difference. Let's go. I'm just gonna type something in. Okay, let's pull up the table cam. Please don't fall over. Okay. So here's my Chromebook, and here's the light up system. So it kind of just like the same color, you know. Is this entertaining? Is this content for you guys? I sure hope so. Well, I tried to get a green screen set up, just add some funny bits. I don't know in post if that worked or not. So I guess you'll see in the video. But yeah. So let me see. So the different keys. So it's got breath. Is that what it's called? Breath. I don't know why I'm looking at this camera. You gotta look at the table cam for table drops. Come on, guys. It's a pretty good name. I think so. Anyway, yeah. So, and then it just stops. And that's okay. So let's check out if this works or not. So. Okay, I got it on YouTube. I mean, it's completely functioning like a keyboard should, I would say. I'll put down the face cam. Okay, I just slammed something. Okay, I'm just trying to come up with content right now, I guess. But yeah, I would say this keyboard's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's the RII. This keyboard comes out at a fantastic. I don't know where the number's gonna be, but I only paid $12 for this, and there's a $15 version, I believe. Oh, do you guys like my hat? I don't know what it says. My hair was a mess. Anyway, I would say this keyboard's pretty good. I mean, it's not like, you know, one of the higher end brands, but if you really need a keyboard and you need it cheap and as soon as possible, I would say I have no issue with this keyboard. It works pretty fine right now. Hold on. Let me just get some. Sorry, I was just some B-roll. Anyway, I think this is a pretty good video. I would say. Yeah, but thank you all for watching the first episode of Table Drops. This is pretty scuffed, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, but if you like this video and you want to see more of it, go check it out. What I have planned so far is I'll upload like if I upload, say, Monday, next week will be Tuesday and going on, and I'll do a different type of product, like, I don't know, Manga Monday, Tech Tuesday, stuff like that. But yeah, if you find that interesting, hit that with a, hit me with a nice little subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one for Table Drops.